YouTubers. So I just got this box in the mail and figured it'd be kind of boring just to open one box. So I wanted to show you other crooked Comrade pins that I opened. You can find that video on my channel. I will put a link below in the description box. And I collect Lady and the Tramp pins. So here we go. Super cute. And in here is a mystery pin.
I open a mystery pin.
How about I open it and you can reveal what it is, okay?
Okay. Can I keep it?
Okay, you show us what it is, Kenzie.
Okay.
Ooh, it's Ka. How cool. I love Jungle Book. That's so awesome. That's the perfect pin. I really like these pins. They're really big. Very, very nice pins.
I got it. Yeah, I got for you.
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.
I open these and